Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking the Windows 10 build and using an administrator account. This ensures driver installs succeed. Once done, plug in power and confirm internet access so Windows can download drivers. Open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, and note the adapter name or error symbol. This identifies whether the issue is driver corruption, missing firmware, or hardware. Make sure to right-click the adapter now to view properties. The hardware ID will guide targeted downloads and avoid generic drivers that can fail. You should download the exact OEM driver that matches the adapter hardware ID and your Windows 10 build. Generic drivers often fail. Once downloaded, go back to Device Manager, right-click the adapter and choose Uninstall, tick Delete driver software when available to remove corrupted files. After uninstall, run the OEM installer as administrator. Follow prompts, then reboot. If the installer is a zip, extract and use Device Manager, update driver browse, My Computer to point to the folder. After reboot, ensure Bluetooth support service is set to automatic and running so the stack initializes. Then pair a device to confirm functionality and run Windows Bluetooth Troubleshooter if pairing fails. It fixes common configuration issues. If problems persist, try a system restore point from before the issue or test the adapter in another PC to isolate hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip: if Device Manager shows code 10, try different driver versions and use system restore before performing invasive steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.